Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now I know what you're thinking. That just happened to line and center itself up perfectly on the first attempt. But I'm just as surprised as you are.
trying to make something that's going to hold this solidly. It's going to be bulletproof, no matter what direction it's in. I know you can buy them. They got, you know, alarm at the front, and when you tilt it up, the engine lies down. I just wanted this to be 100% solid. So it's just clamped together for now. You get a rough idea of how it works. It is a little high. I did want it high because I don't feel I'm going to be working on it at this angle. I think if, you know, when it comes to actually splitting the case and working on the transmission, it's going to be more at this angle, maybe next one up, which I think is perfect. I want it up at chest height. It's easy for me to get to. I don't need to bend over to get to it. But yeah, I'm pleased at how it's come out. I was thinking maybe one more bracket on the bottom. You know, most engines, they have 3 mounts, one at the front, one at the back, and one underneath. It doesn't really need it, but I did say I want it bulletproof. Anyways, let me know what you guys think.
So guys, this build took a whole lot longer than I wanted it to take, but I'm pleased with the way it's turned out. Now this is the first video I've posted on this channel, and my editing skills are still pretty new. But just look at this. Look at my face. I grew this beard in the time it took me to edit this one video. But I'm going to improve on that and my future content hopefully. So let's have a look and see what you guys think. Now for this engine, some of you might know what this is already. They say this wasn't built for mere mortals, but I'm going to find out soon. But back to the engine stand. I like the way it has the 3 mounting points. It's solid, it's bulletproof, there is no playing it. It just mounts everything nice and good. Now I actually split the IT490 engine in this stand. It worked great. It's a bit higher than usual, and I think it's perfect working height for me personally. You can make it lower or higher to suit, you know, if that's what you want. But I find it great, you know, even when I flip it upside down. It's just very nice and usable. Even at that, I can still walk on the clutch side, flip it back down, walk on the other side. It's worked out good, so I'm very pleased with the way it's worked out. If you guys are looking for an engine stand, certainly consider building this before buying one. You can make this to literally whatever you want to suit your requirements. But definitely, let me know what you guys think down below anyways.